welcome back to another video. And we're back. Offroad Outlaws. I did some modifications to this truck actually. This is my hunting truck. And got a nice little rack and the gun rack in the back, as you can see. Horns, winch. I switched out the bed just to make it look more rugged, you know. I may want to make bigger wheels and tires, but I'm not sure. Maybe I'll leave the wheels and tires. I don't know. But well, maybe shoot a bird today. Maybe, potentially. I shot already 2 birds already. It was off camera, but I shot 2 birds. You get like $2,000 a bird, which is great. I got a nice scope on my gun, and got some nice clothing too. Actually, also got nice clothing. So hopefully you guys will enjoy the video. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Notification bell on if you haven't already. And let's do it. This is my scope. As you can see, that's beautiful. It doesn't move around though, which I wish it would stay more steady, but apparently it doesn't want to do that, so that's fine. We'll go do some target shooting, and then I think we'll try hunting for birds. Let's just go down here, I think. Oh, there's a gate right there, okay. This truck is great for hunting. And speaking of hunting, I actually want to try hunting one day. I've gone fishing before, but it's not hunting. It's just not. It's really not. So I want to try slingshot hunting for rabbits. I've actually watched a couple of videos recently about slingshot hunting, and it looks actually very, very fun. And I really want to try rabbit meat too. Not gonna lie, I kind of want to try it, and maybe squirrel too. Squirrel would be also nice. Oh, right at the bottom, sweet. Kind of get a headshot. Right in the belly. That's nice. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I think I was a little too far away, honestly. Look at that. Mudman, 310, yes. You can shoot the head, you could. Once you have bullets, though, then you can. Yeah. Okay, let's trash that. Let's put this right there. There we go. Okay, target shooting. Can't go too far now. Let's go maybe this far? That far. That's good. See if we can get bullseye. Oh yeah, bullseye. Come on. Did I get like all 4 in a row? Let's see, check this out. Yep. Oh, that's nice. Okay, yeah. Alright, let's go a little closer. Let's go like here. Sure. Reload. It's about the same distance. It's about the same distance. Bullseye, yes. Oh, that was terrible. Another bullseye. Another bullseye. Is that another bullseye? Let's see what I got. Yeah, I got three No, 4? One, two, three. I might have got 4, 5. Oh, jeez. Yeah, that's something. Okay, cool. Well, let's just trash that. Can we place new ones down? No. The gun? Okay. Whatever, that's fine. Let's see if we can find some birds. There are birds roaming around. Is there a bird roaming around? No, not by the looks of it. Okay. Let's go for a little ride. Go for a bit of a drive. See if we can see birds. Oh, there's a bird right there. Okay. I want to do this. See if we can get this bird. Come on. Come on. I can't get that one. It's very hard. Like, extremely hard. Yeah, that bird's gone. Great. Shooting birds is very hard. It's actually very hard to do. That's okay. There's more. There's more than just one. We tried. That bird actually came from here around. I think it did. Jeez. Yeah, I don't have much grip apparently. Too much time we got. Okay, wow. Jeez, 7 minutes already. Alrighty. Oh, there's another bird over there. Wait, what? That bird's gone. It's on the other side. Oh, there's one bird. Right there. Come on. Bro. Is it gone? Oh, there it is. No, it's gone. She's gone. Great. That was the second bird we saw. Are you serious? Great. That's lovely. Man, birds are so hard to shoot. And there are birds out here. It's just very hard to shoot. Like, they're moving objects. Not objects, but like, they're flying, right? They're on the move. They don't, sit down. If they sat down, like on a fence post or something like that, that'd be great. But nope. That's not how birds work, apparently, in this game. I want to shoot one bird before I end the video, but I don't think it's ever gonna happen. I shot 2 last time. I don't know how, but I did. Oh, let's see, I'm stuck. There we go. Like, I don't think I'm gonna shoot a bird. Oh no. Seriously? I really want to kill a bird today. It's difficult. It is very difficult. There's no birds around here. Great. Oh my word. What time you got? 10 minutes. Yeah. I'm gonna have to end it soon. Well, at least we almost got a bird. That sucks. That sucks a lot. Well. Oh, wait. Is that a bird? No, it's just some black spot. Okay, I think I'll end it right here. Hopefully all you guys enjoy this video. And we'll see you all in the next one. Peace.